Learn essential tips for new investors to navigate the stock market effectively and make informed decisions. 1. Research. Start by researching investment options and understanding stock market basics. Knowledge is crucial for making wise investment choices. 2. Diversify. Spread investments across different sectors and asset classes to reduce risk. Diversification helps cushion your portfolio against market fluctuations. 3. Set goals. Establish realistic investment goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Having clear objectives keeps you focused and disciplined. 4. Be patient. Stock market success takes time. Avoid reacting impulsively to short-term market changes and focus on long-term growth. 5. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your portfolio performance and stay updated on market trends. Adjust your strategy as needed to stay on track with your goals. Ready to begin your investment journey? Apply these tips today and start building your wealth with confidence.